Because of Tomato has scored I don't know what to say now. But anyhow, happiness lies in joy of achievement and the thrill is created effort. Great effort. Roosevelt. I wish you all a very happy 74th Republic Day. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor D. Ravindra, Vice Chancellor, Telangana University, Nizamabad. Guest of Honor, Sri Naveen Manjunath Garu, Regional Head and HR, Wipro Technologies, Bangalore. Our Chief Patron, Sri Vinay Kumar Garu, Coordinator Raju Garu, Director Sheikh Sir, Principal of College, Vista Degree College, K. Sapna Madam, and Principal of Vista Commerce and Science College, S. Jain Reddy Sir, Vice Principal Raghuveer Sir, staff members and my dear students. I feel proud to have this Republic Day in our college because it would be the first national festival in our autonomous college. 6 inspection. Skill. Please stop talking. Back.
Guys at the back, our chairman sir.
I feel very proud to have this Republic Day in our college because it would be the first national festival in our autonomous college. 6 inspection of our college, 1994, we have been achieving laurels in this rural area in the fields of education. After the demise of our grandfather, in his memory, we introduced Bhumai Award in 2007 to encourage the excellent students in the academic curriculum. We achieved A grade from NAAC in 2017 and we celebrate as a symbol of progress our Silver Jubilee celebration in 2019. Last year in February 2022, our college achieved autonomous status from the UGC New Delhi. During Corona also, our students got jobs in various companies, MNCs. We provide a special training for the students from the beginning, and we proudly say that from the history of December, last year we achieved 342 students got selected from MNC companies, and this is the history of December, sir. None of other colleges have achieved this, and we proudly say that. That all credit goes to the faculty, the teaching the students, and also the credibility goes to the placement officer and faculty. My dear students, work hard and get jobs in improving your communication skills. I say special thanks to our chief guest, Professor Ravindra Sir, for giving your valuable time to bless our students. I am very thankful to our guest of honor, Naveen Manjunath Sir, Regional Head and HR, Wipro Technologies, for coming from Bangalore to Nizamabad, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for coming from all the way from Bangalore to Nizamabad. And I hope our students can get guidance of a roadmap to MNCs, for giving you a wonderful time and accepting your invitation with great regard and kindness. I'd like to conclude my speech with a maximum. Success is not a destination, it is a journey. Thank you one and all, and once again, happy Republic.
Thank you, Nikhil sir. It was great listening to you. Your words justify the position you hold in the hierarchy of NDC.
I request the dignitaries over here to proceed for the felicitation of our guest of honor, Naveen Manjunath sir. I request you all to please give him a big round of applause. Naveen Manjunath, the Regional Head of HR from Wipro Technologies, taking care for Wipro from South India and also covering other states like Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Sikkim, Tripura and West Bengal. He carries 20 years of rich learning and communication technology. He has been part of the Naveen Manjunath sir to speak a few words on this occasion.
రియల్గా మీరందరూ కూడా అదృష్టవంతులు అనుకుంటున్నాను. అలాంటి పెద్ద వ్యక్తి అతి కష్టంతో మన కాలేజీకి రావడం రియల్గా ఇది మీకు ఫర్దర్ ఫ్యూచర్లో లాభం ఉంటుందని చెప్పి నేను భావిస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు సారు మాట్లాడుతున్న ప్రతి వర్డ్ ప్రతి అక్షరాన్ని మీరు గమనిస్తారని చెప్పి నేను భావిస్తున్నాను.
నమస్తే నిజామాబాద్, అందరూ ఎలా ఉంటారు? బాగుంటారా? I have some hearing problem, meaning you have to shout and ask something. I have given a time of 8 minutes. I try to cover my speech in 8 to 10 minutes. Please bear with me for next 10 minutes. So we have to say some big words from all of you guys. And whenever I say some good thing about big numbers, I wish everyone say wow. What you should say? Thank you. When I say something, if you guys are not liking it, maybe you can say ayyo. What you can say? Ayyo. Thank you. Can you start with saying Bolo Bharat Mata Ki? Once again, Bolo Bharat Mata Ki. I got very good introduction, but I missed 2 lines in it. I am from Bangalore. I am married and I have a daughter and I am happy. Wow, is it? I can hear some I know also. And it gives a great pleasure to be here. And we have lots of FPTs, players and players and all below students. Good morning. All of us from Wipro like to wish you happy Republic Day. Thank you so much. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude, and the gratitude completes once you thank someone. As a regional head, I have 8,056 colleges to visit. How many colleges? 8,056. Is it a big number or small number? Then what you guys should say? Now you guys are in my level, I know you know when to say wow. Thank you. As a regional head, I have 8,056 colleges to visit. And do you think it is possible to visit all 8,056 colleges? It is possible, but I need 4 years to complete. So what I do is, I handpick top 10 institutions in each state and I travel to only top 10 institutions. And I am here today. What does it mean? You have to say wow, but what does it mean? It means you, along with your parents, have already made wise decision of joining Nishcha Institute. It's fine. Okay. I said you guys, along with your parents, have made wise decision of joining this college. And can we have a big round of applause for your college and management? I was really happy and excited when they said there are around 300 plus offers in this institute. So where are those 300 plus candidates here? Can you raise your hand? Very few. There are a lot of light, I cannot see people sitting there. Okay, no issues. I typically need 2 to 3 hours for my each session. I know you guys are excited to receive your awards. I limit myself for a few minutes. And I am happy to meet you all in college on Saturday. We will have a full defined pre-placement talk. So I am from. Thank you. I am from Ajit Premji's company. What is it? Which is Ajit Premji's company? So Ajit Premji started his company 75 years ago, and Wipro was taking care of manufacturing segment. Western Indian oil products. It is where Wipro name came from. It started 75 years ago. What was happening 75 years ago? Wipro started, plus something was also happening at that time. It was a freedom struggle, pre-independence. Ajit Premji thought it is an ideal time to start some industry where you can help people of India just to earn their livelihood and have meaningful life. Now, Wipro is working in 66 countries. Thank you. When I say Wipro is working in 66 countries, what does it mean? Not wow. When I say Wipro is working in 66 countries, it means Ajit Premji is successful in giving employment opportunities for people across 66 countries. And we as an Indians, we are proud that Indian companies are able to generate employment and giving livelihood for people from 66 countries. With last two more wow words, I close my speech. Wipro is a $10.4 billion worth company. What is today's $1 rate? 80s, around 80s. And Wipro's revenue is $10.4 billion. So, out of it, 66% goes to charity. It means for philanthropic activities. We have many of your seniors who have joined us. They are working with us happily. And it is now the time for you guys to accept our offer and join Wipro and set benchmark for your next batches. Since your seniors are doing well, we are happy and I have come here today. I would like to visit your college again and again, and now it is in the hands of you guys to set some benchmark. Thank you. Hope I exhausted my time. Thanks for giving this opportunity. I'm so happy to share the stage of very senior resources here. Their experience is not even our age. I'm much privileged to share stage with them, and I'm overwhelmed with the joy and affection from you guys. Thanks again. Wish you good luck.
It was great listening to you, sir, and thank you so much for interacting with our students. And also, we feel very privileged and honored that you want to visit our college again and again. That gives us very boosting, isn't it? That's amazing.
Now, moving on, it's time to...
Next 2-3 hours also. Your college has given me time. Go ahead with your time. How many of you are okay for 30 minutes? You can raise your hand. 30 minutes. 30% of the people are okay for 30 minutes. How many are okay for 15 minutes? Oh, most of you are okay for 30 minutes. I'm so happy. I'm glad also. Before I start, I would like to have some two expectations from you guys. Why you guys are here today? I know we are celebrating Republic Day, and by now you are aware that someone from Wipro is going to be part of your session, and definitely you should have some question in your mind. Do you guys have any questions for me, or send me some expectation even before we start with? Why you guys are here? I just need two questions. Why you guys are here? Send me some expectation so that I will talk on that. Any good questions? I am okay. I'm happy to take some bad questions. I'm still okay if you guys are having some funny questions. So why you guys are here today? No questions? Okay, it makes my job easy so that I definitely do not have to cover anything.
Sir, I'm also a student, so I would like to present my question.
Okay.
Sir, how do you manage your daily schedule, all that stuff?
How do I manage?
Office works and your personal life, and office related work, and also personal life.
Very good questions. Can we have a big round of applause for this question? Thanks for the good question. I say this is a very good question, not because he asked this, but because I know the answer for this. His question is, how do I manage work and life? So how do I manage work life? Is that correct? Work life and personal life. So we call this work life balance.
Because you have been hiring, you have been generating the employment, and also with more than 15 plus states. So how do you go around and do all that stuff?
Okay. The better word, how about So Wipro is well known for its giving employment with a balanced life. We do have good number of leaves to cherish with. We can take off from the work whenever I feel like having. We have around 40 plus leaves a year, and every Saturday, Sunday is a week of ours. So I rejuvenate myself. I spend most of my time in traveling. I need to travel pan-India. I enjoy my traveling. Whenever I travel across India, I love to meet new people and I love to learn something from learned people like this. Happy to interact with young minds like you guys. I can taste new food. I can roam around the cities. I can get exposed to new culture. That's what makes me happy. Once you are happy, stress will not make any difference in it. Hope I answered your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Any more questions, guys?
Good question to start with. Okay. So it's a Wipro is a $10.4 billion worth company, and you guys could calculate how much it is in Indian value. What is Indian rupees in $10.4 billion? It is not less than 8,000 crores. So 66% of Wipro's revenue goes into charity work through Ajit Premji Foundation. Say if you are joining Wipro and you are contributing Wipro for making 100 rupees profit, it means you are contributing 66 rupees towards the charity. So whatever work you do with profits gives profit to Wipro, you are also part of our charity. So when I say 8,000 crores is our revenue and 66% goes for charity, what have you done with this amount? I have few numbers. All of us have seen how Corona affected Indians, right? All of us have seen, yes or no? Yes. We have seen some of our family and friends could not get beds in the hospital, is it? We have seen some of our family and friends again lost their lives because they could not get ventilators on time. Is it so? Yes or no? Yes. What will be Wipro did during this COVID situation is, Wipro has its biggest development center in Pune. Where do we have Wipro biggest development center? Pune. We have 20 buildings. How many? And each building have 20 floors. How many floors? 20. And each floor can accommodate 300 employees. How many employees? 300. If someone can quickly calculate what is 20 into 20 into 30, that is the number of beds. We converted our Pune office into COVID hospital, and we have given this to Maharashtra government for 2 years. No how is it? Yes, Wipro has adopted 54,000 students from rural background and underprivileged segments and taking care of their complete education. How many students? 54,000 students. How many? 54,000. So what you should say? Okay. At Wipro as of today, we are having 2,59,000 happy employees working with us. How many employees? Is it late for you guys for your lunch? No, is it? You still have time. I said we have 2,59,000 employees working with us happily, and our gender ratio is 35.6%. So to an extent, 36% of female folks are working with us happily. And Wipro's immediate goal is to have our gender ratio of 50-50%. Now, I'm happy to see majority of students of females here. You guys are in demand now. Please join us and make us reach our goal of having gender ratio of 50-50%. I'll also tell you how Wipro takes care of its female employees. See, you're working on a project from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. You could not log out on time. So you have some project deliveries to be done, and you happen to extend your time for another hour. Wipro will ensure you reach your home safe. How do we ensure that our female employees reach home safe? It's not just by booking Ola or Uber cab for you guys. We will ensure you are accompanied by a male colleague till you reach your home. if in case there is no male colleague to accompany you till your doorstep, we send Wipro security person to drop you till the door. And this Wipro security's work doesn't stop as soon as you reach your home. He will wait near your door. He will wait till your parents open the door, you get into your house and it is closed. Then he will message Wipro HR stating so employee reached home safely. Only then his job ends. This is level of safety interior of our female employees. Very recently, Wipro has been awarded with this prestigious award from US agency. Wipro has been awarded as the most ethical company in the world. I repeat. Wipro has been awarded as the most ethical company in the world. It's not just this year we got, this is the 11th year we got this. You name any other company across globe, all science graduates, preferring BSc, BCA background. As a recruiter, last year I could generate some 30,000 employment opportunities for people across globe. And the number which I am going to share now is not my number, it's not Wipro's number. This is under Telangana state government. 60% of IT companies' needs are being fulfilled by Andhra Pradesh and Telangana alone. When I say 60%, in any IT company, you need small startups or a big giants. If they need 100 people, 60 people definitely come from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So you have the last question for me. What should be the do's and don'ts to attend the interview? Or, in better words, I can say, what should be your interview preparedness? And this is my personal feedback, plus the feedback from many of the projects we debut to guys for. You name any project or any account like Google, Intel, we have projects running and we are giving manpower support to them. All of you guys are very good when it comes to technical skills. I just take last 5 minutes. Can I have all your attention please? I take last 5 minutes. All of you guys are no doubt and undoubtedly good when it comes to your technical skills. But when it comes to communication, I have seen definitely all of us are lagging. I am aware all of us are from rural and urban background where we are not exposed to speak in English. I request, this is the right time for all you guys. You are in college. Please make wise use of it and start speaking in English. English is not a new word, new language, and you need not have to break your head to learn it. So every day when you speak, 70% of what you speak is English. So remaining 30%, it's not new to you guys, but there is no practice. If you start speaking, you will be there. It is very easy to crack interview. With due respect to all the people and their years of experience, I would like to share how I crack interviews. Whenever I go for an interview, I'll make sure I do my homework. When I say homework, I'll make sure I'll be aware of the company where I'm applying for. What is the culture of the company? And what is the role that I'm getting into? So please do your homework to understand the culture background of your company and the role which you are getting into. Okay. Once you have a clarity, you will have very good interaction session during the interview. While you are at the interview desk, it's not that interviewer is the person who is taking your interviews. It also means you are taking his interview as well. So, interview person is trying to help you understand how good you are as a prospective employee, and you guys will interview them and trying to understand how good this company is for you guys to work with. So having very interactive session, look at the face. If you are done with your homework, you will have lots of confidence. If at any time I feel I am losing my confidence, I will have this strong feel. I consider for that moment that the person with whom I am speaking is a fool. He do not know anything. I know many things better than him, and with that confidence, I talk to them. It gives me courage to speak. Similarly, when he is trying to understand from you and when you are listening from him, you please consider you are the fool. There is no better fool than you, and try to have all your learning from the interview. Every interview is a learning. Try to learn one new good thing about each interview guys face. At Wipro, since we are hiring you as a freshers, we do not make any test in terms of technical skills. Okay? We hire you basis your graduation. We check out your flexibility, your interest to learn, and how good you are in adapting to the situation. So we initially have an online assessment, which is not technical assessment, but is purely a communication flexibility. Once you are done with the assessment, the only next round is your interviews followed by offer letter. For all the science graduates, Wipro is sponsoring MTech from BITS Pilani. How many of you are aware of the company called institution called BITS Pilani? You can raise your hands. Only few. BITS Pilani is the only institute in India. I repeat, it is the only institute in India to get Institute of Eminence status from Indian government. Yes. And the applications every year BITS Pilani will get is 30 lakhs. How many applications? And they only have a student capability of 3,000. How many? So now you know where is the competition. The selection percentage at BITS Pilani is 0.01%. If 1,000 students are applying for a seat in BITS Pilani, only one among them will get seats at BITS Pilani. But if you guys are joining Wipro, we will ensure all of you are enrolled for MTech from BITS Pilani. That is the opportunity what we are giving for you guys. And any guess what is the course fees at BITS Pilani just to complete your MTech? Any wild guess? 3 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
8 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
Little higher. 10 to 15 lakhs. Little higher. You're almost there. How much? 25 lakhs. You're almost there. But you'll now increase in every lakh. 26, 27, 28. It's the right guesses. It is not less than 30 to 35 lakhs just to complete your MTech from BITS Pilani. If you join Wipro, it is good that you are saving 30 to 35 lakhs of your parents' hard-earned money when Wipro is sponsoring your higher education. Not just to sponsor your higher education, you will also get stipend on monthly basis. Plus, you are eligible for 14 lakhs of accident insurance, 12 lakhs of medical insurance. All of you covered under ESI. All of you are aware of ESI, right? Employee State Insurance. You, along with your parents, father and mother, and spouse and kids in case of marriage, you are covered under ESI hospitalization benefits. Any doubts till now? Now tell me honestly, since there are a huge crowd, I would like to take this feedback for me. How many students are already decided to join Wipro? Some 25%. I know you guys are from final years. First years. Okay, for the remaining 60%, why you guys have not made any decision? I need some interactions. There are some 60% of the students who did not raise hands. Can I consider that you guys are still yet to make your decision? Yes or no? No, is it? Or parents are looking for a match, is it? Complete your graduation, get married. Is that? We are giving work integrated learning program wherein you can complete your higher education plus you can start working. You can save good amount of money to your parents and you can start earning to maintain your livelihood. We call it as work integrated learning program. We are sponsoring this program. So what else you guys need to join Wipro? Any good questions? You guys need the gym in the office, is it? Don't worry, we have gym in our office. You girls need aerobics? We have aerobics in our office. How many of you are aware of Yash KGF2? Only few. He is our corporate ambassador. I introduced Yash to Wipro in the year 2015 and he will come to join us for our state formation day every year in November 1st. At Wipro, we always encourage continuous learning. There are hundreds and thousands of courses available in Wipro platform. We call it as We Learn. What it is? We Learn. If say you're working in an Oracle project and if you're interested to learn data structures, data science, you have a free course available for you guys where you can spend some time on your learning. And these courses cost 30,000-40,000 easily outside the market, but it's all available for you guys at free of cost. And once you join Wipro, we have something called Channel W. What is it? Channel W. The existing issues in the project, if it requires any troubleshooting, it will be posted there. The problem will be broken in small pieces and it will be uploaded as a challenge. And if you guys are able to give creating solutions to it, you guys will get rewarded in dollars. That is the other way of making money, just by increasing your knowledge to the next level. So, any last question for me? I'm done. Yes, please. Can you please pass on the mic?
Good morning, sir. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day, sir.
Thank you. Wish you.
I'm Srinidhi from BCom first year Computer Applications. First, I thank you that your Wipro team has been providing 100% safety to all the women employees in your company, and it is a very pride moment for every girl and woman who works in Wipro. And my question is that if a new employee who joins Wipro commits a mistake, how will you take it? Like, how will you solve that problem to him in your manner?
Very good question.
Thank you, sir.
Not just because I know the answer, but because this will be the question of many of you guys. She is asking this question representing larger audience here. You can see. If I understood your question correct, if any employee at Wipro does any mistake during their initial stages, how we manage that? Is that your correct? Okay. We are not considering you guys as employees as of now. You are our students. For the next 4 years, while you are doing your MTech course, you will be considered as our student. We will assign project guide who helps you to work on your daily projects. You will also have an academic guide who will help you do your academics. And for next 4 years, we are not measuring you in terms of performance. So you are a student, your job is to learn. Okay? And hence we are not measuring any of your mistakes. Since we are not here to measure your performance, you need not worry about it. And you get good amount of opportunities to learn more and do better on a work basis. Hope I answered your question. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. Happy to see you soon at Wipro. I sit in Electronic City campus of Wipro. Where is it? Electronic City campus of Bangalore is where I sit. Same time by next year you will all be part of our Wipro. And once you happen to see me Wipro campus, you can say hi Navin, you have come to our college. I will owe you pizza or ice cream. Hoping to see you all soon at Wipro. Thanks for the opportunity again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful listening to you. Thank you for the most wonderful interaction sessions. It was great.
Now, moving on, it's time for the endorsement of our chief guest. I request the luminaries over here to please join us here.
350 plus students who already got the offer. And I know it is for students from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Wipro is the preferred employer. And I got some stats from your college. It says some 60, 70 students have joined from Wipro last 2 years. But I am not happy with that number. I want each one of you to join Wipro. We have a huge requirement and science graduates, you are in demand. If all of you are clearing your assessments and exams, We are more than happy to onboard all of you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I think we will make your way successful.
Science and Technology. In addition to it, he is a holder of UGS Research Award, Boys Cast in the Department of Science and Technology.
A big round of applause, please.
He has been prescribed with the fellowship of JSPS in Japan and Royal Society in UK. He has been a part of talks in USA, UK, Japan and many more countries held for collaborative research. Sir,
Respected Chairman of the Nistha College and Nikhil and Rasul and Vinay Kumar and our esteemed principal and directors also. Today I am very happy to visit this college, particularly Bhumaya Foundation, and Bhumaya is an outstanding Telugu lecturer in Giriraj College. When I was in MSc in Osmania University, I know few words about Bhumaya. He is an outstanding and good personality. So because of him only, the college is running successfully, particularly in Nizamabad district. Just mentioned our chairman sir, that is they got 342 placements. Is the highest achievement and that credit goes to management of the Nistha College. And particularly give the hand to management and teaching faculty of Nistha College. So last time I visited one function in this Nistha College. Sir asked, Nistha has asked me to attend this 26th Republic Day, sir. So I am accepted, sir, your invitation, and also I wish to make interact with Nistha College students, particularly in all subjects, the UG and the PG courses also. Nistha is indicates for the innovation, research development and the employment opportunities. They are making a lot of effort to how to employment given to students for their life settlements, particularly in field of software. Navin sir also came from Bangalore. Sir also given Navin Manjunath given very good advice to students for getting placement in their Wipro company. It's a lot of efforts they are making and still they have to recruitment most people. And the Nistha stands for the quality education. Empowerment also, sir, entrepreneurship also. So, I heard 10 years back in Hyderabad when I was professor in Osmania University. Just I know little bit about Nistha College. Presently I visited your college and make your efforts, sir, particularly in giving good advice to students for getting their lives in successful and also with employment also. I identified some of the faculty, those who are particularly Nistha College, congratulating for their doctoral degree, PhD in all subjects. So I wish to give supervisor guideship to Nistha College faculty for guiding students of Telangana University. So how many eligibles are there? Definitely I will support you and make a lot students from Telangana University. So now is a Telangana University Particularly, we are very proud because we are Telanganian. That means we are belongs to Telangana University. That is a great appreciation and giving lot of support to students, particularly in the employment process. And this year I am going to start MSc Data Structure and Analytics, particularly in Bignur campus. Last year we started with the MSc Zoology course, and simultaneously we will start engineering and pharmacy also. And also recently our Telangana University funded by Department of Science and Technology, particularly in the field of chemical sciences and development of ST people, particularly from Nizamabad and Kamareddy districts also. We got 20 crores funding from Department of Science and Technology for outstanding contributions in the field of science and technology. One example I am telling that recently I am going recognized as world top ranked scientist by Stanford University, America, for outstanding contributions in the field of science and technology. This is at Usmania University, then 21 and 22 when I came to Telangana University. So it's a great opportunity, particularly Saru, Nizamabad and Kamareddy districts give valuable guidance to them to development of the activities of Telangana University simultaneously with Nishta College. We are also shortly going to MOU between Nishta College and Telangana University, sir. That will give very advantage to students getting admissions in higher classes, employment and also other activities. Recently I discussed with some of the people when I went to Cap Journey. I requested them to visit Nishta College because Nishta College we are getting very brilliant and excellent students. That's why I am always visiting those visits to particularly this
Thank you. I would like to announce very important announcement for all the final year students on 28th of January at 9 o'clock. Wipro Drive orientation class by our Sri Naveen Manjan sir for all NTC and NC students. Thank you sir for your valuable time. All students.
I request all the students standing out to get in. Please be seated, and because we are about to present Bhumaya Sir Award, so we want all of you to be present in the hall. It is an honor and respect for all of us. Thank you.
The raffle of Nishita, the academic coordinator, Raju sir, to address the event. Big round of applause, guys!
Respect our dais, our Vice Chancellor Ravindra Garu, Wipro Manjunath Garu, Chairman Nikhil Garu, Vinay Kumar Garu, Director, Principal, Lecturers, students and parents. ఇప్పటికే సమయం బాగైనందువల్ల తక్కువ ఒక్క నిమిషంలోనే నా ఉపన్యాసాన్ని ముగిస్తాను. ఎందుకంటే భూమి అవార్డ్ ఇప్పుడు ఉండడం వల్ల నేను ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడకుండా చాలా మాట్లాడాలనుకున్నాను. ఇంత తయారు చేశాను కానీ ఒక్క నిమిషంలోనే ఒక్క మినిట్లోనే క్లోజ్ చేస్తాను. Guest and VC గారికి, సార్, the college founder Sri Bhumaya 15th ఆగస్ట్ కావచ్చు, 26 జనవరి కావచ్చు. ఈ కాలేజీలో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేస్ ఇది మా ఈస్టేసులు కాలేజ్ ఫౌండర్ మా ఫాదర్ ఇది నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఒక దేశ స్వతంత్రమే కాదు, ప్రతి నిష్ఠా కాలేజీ విద్యార్థులు చాలా ఒక పండుగ వాతావరణంలో జరుపుకోవాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది సార్. ఇది రియల్గా నేను భూమే సార్ కొడుకునేందుకు నేను గర్వంగా భావిస్తున్నాను సార్. ఈ కాలేజీ 1994లో పెట్టినప్పుడు శ్రీ భూమయ్య గారు ఒక టాప్, మా కాలేజీ కాదు డిస్టిక్ లో ఉన్న టాప్ వ్యక్తికి తాను ఒక ప్రైజ్ ఇవ్వాలా అని చెప్పి ఒక బెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్ అవార్డ్ అని చెప్పి అతడు ఒక 5,000 రూపాయలు క్యాష్ అమౌంట్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్ చేయడం జరిగింది సార్. కానీ 2006 నా మా ఫాదర్ తలాంతరం జరిగింది. కానీ అప్పటి వరకు ఈ కాలేజ్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ టాపర్ నిషితా కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ రావడం రియల్ గా మేము ఎంతో ఆనందిస్తున్నాం సార్. భూమే సార్ తలాంతరం అప్పుడు వినయ్ కుమార్ గారిని చైర్మన్ గా నియమించడం జరిగింది. అప్పుడు ఒక నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఇన్ని రోజులు నిశ్చిత డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ టాపర్ వచ్చారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక మనం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కాదు, మన కాలేజీ ఎవరైతే మంచి మార్కులు వస్తాయో ఆ విద్యార్థికి భూమి అవార్డు ఇవ్వాలని చెప్పి భావించి దానిని ప్రైజ్ అమౌంట్ పెంచుతూ ఈ భూమి అవార్డు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఒక్కటి భూమి అవార్డు ఈ భూమి అవార్డు ఒక విద్యార్థికి ఇస్తే సరిపోదు, వాళ్ళకన్నా తల్లిదండ్రులకు కూడా ఈ స్టేజ్ మీద మీ అందరి సమక్షంలో వాళ్ళకు మర్యాద చేయాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ భూమి అవార్డుకు ముఖ్యంగా మేము ఈ నిర్ణయించడం జరిగింది. దీనిని మేము ఒక ప్రెస్టీజ్ అవార్డుగా భావిస్తున్నాం. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, అంతేకాదు యూనివర్సిటీలో ఏదైతే విద్యార్థి టాప్ యూనివర్సిటీ టాప్ వస్తాడో ఆ విద్యార్థికి ఇచ్చే అవార్డు పేరు కూడా శ్రీ భూమయ్య గారి అవార్డు అనే సంగతి చెప్పడానికి నేను గర్వంగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్, ఇలా చెప్తే మీకు నేను ఒకటే నిమిషం అడగానే ఎక్కువైందేమో డౌట్ వస్తుంది. అందుకోసం ఎక్కువ కాకుండా ఒక్క సెకండ్లో క్లోజ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ విషయానికి వస్తే పోయిన సంవత్సరం యూజీలో 321 స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ కావడం జరిగింది. అందులో విప్రో 62 స్టూడెంట్స్ అనే సంగతి మంజునాథ్ గారికి సహాయంగా తెలుపుకుంటున్నారు. ఈ సంవత్సరం కూడా 5th సెమ్లోనే ప్లేస్మెంట్ జరగడం జరిగింది. ఆ ప్లేస్మెంట్లో కూడా ఇప్పటి వరకు ఒక 20 స్టూడెంట్స్ సెలెక్ట్ కావడం జరిగింది. మరియు వెయిటింగ్ లిస్ట్లో విప్రోలో 15 మంది వెయిటింగ్లో ఉన్నారు. రిమైనింగ్ ఒక దగ్గర 40 స్టూడెంట్స్ రిజల్ట్ కోసం వెయిటింగ్లో ఉన్నారని చెప్పి గర్వంగా చెప్పుకుంటున్నారు. సార్, మంజునాథ్ గారికి వీసీ గారికి ఒకే ఒక మాట చెప్తాను. నిష్ఠా కాలేజీ యొక్క 2 మోడల్లో గొప్పతనం గురించి చెప్తాను సార్. 2 సెంటెన్స్లో క్లోజ్ చేస్తాను. సార్, కరోనా టైంలో సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కావచ్చు, ఏ బిజినెస్ అయినా కావచ్చు, దాదాపు వీక్ అయిపోయినాయి. చాలా మంది ఎంప్లాయీస్ తీసేయడం జరిగింది, చాలా మంది ప్రాబ్లంలో ఇరుక్కపోవడం జరిగింది. కానీ సార్, నేను క్రియేట్గా చెప్తున్నాను, మా నిష్ఠా కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా కరోనా టైంలో చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉన్నారు. ఎందుకంటే ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ విద్యార్థులకు 200 పైన వ్యక్తులకు ప్రతి నెల ఇంట్లో సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వర్క్ చేస్తూ ప్రతి వ్యక్తి 15 నుంచి 20 వేల రూపాయలు సంపాదించారు. రియల్ గా ఇది ఒక కాలేజ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ తరఫున నేను గర్వంగా చెప్తున్నాను. ఇది తెలంగాణ కాదు, 2 తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఎక్కడా కూడా జరగలేదు. మన నిష్ఠా కాలేజ్ గ్రేట్ గా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. ఇలాంటి గర్వంగా చెప్పుకోవడానికి వీలుంది. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నిష్ఠా కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అంటే ఒక చదివే కాదు, స్పోర్ట్స్, ఎంజాయ్, ప్రతి దాంట్లో నిష్ఠా కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ ఎప్పుడో ముందుంటారని చెప్పి నేను గర్వంగా చెప్పుకుంటున్నాను. విప్రో కంపెనీ మంజునాథ్ గారికి ఒక చిన్న రిక్వెస్ట్. సార్, ఈ నెల 32 నాడు మా క్యాంపస్ డ్రైవ్ డెలైట్ టెక్ మహీంద్రా డ్రైవ్ ఉంది సార్. మా దగ్గర క్యాంపస్ డ్రైవ్ February 6th పీజీ వాళ్ళకి ఒక డ్రైవ్ ఉంది సార్. సార్, కాలేజ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ తరఫున ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్, విప్రో కంపెనీ ఒక్క డ్రైవ్ నిష్ఠా కాలేజ్లో పెట్టండి సార్. మీరు దానికి సహకరిస్తారని చెప్పి భావిస్తున్నాను సార్. మీరు థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
It's not that Wipro is having its physical drive as of now, but in the past we have worked in a college as a model college. Nishta is one of a model college where other college students are introducing it. Am I correct? As a model college. If I get some 100% placement for this college, and if you guys can promise me 100% joining as well, we are assuring you from next year we will have physical drives in your college.
Thank you. నెరవేర్చినందుకు మంజునాథ్ గారికి కాలేజీ స్టూడెంట్ తరఫున, మేనేజ్మెంట్ తరఫున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలా ఉంది, ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడితే బాగుండదని చెప్పేసి ముగిస్తూ జై హింద్, జై హింద్.
But now I can see the bright smiles on your faces, isn't it? Hip hip! How's the Josh? Very good. And now we have the Nishita Commerce and Science College Principal S. Jayant Reddy sir to please present his words.
Very good afternoon, respected dignitaries of the dais. My speech is the last speech. Only 1 minute I will close my speech. Really, today we are celebrating 74th Republic Day. But by seeing this dais, this is not Republic Day. Nishita graduating. So we are honoring the best students, topper of the college students by Women's Award for this occasion. పిలవగానే టైం ఇచ్చి, వాళ్ళ వాల్యుబుల్ టైం ఇచ్చి, ఇంత టైం వరకు పేషెన్స్గా కూర్చుండి ఈ అకేషన్కి వచ్చిన తెలంగాణ యూనివర్సిటీ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ ప్రొఫెసర్ రవీందర్ గారికి, విప్రో సౌత్ రీజనల్ హెడ్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్ హెడ్ నవీన్ మంజునాథ్ గారికి, మన మేనేజ్మెంట్ అందరికీ, మన స్టూడెంట్స్ విద్యార్థుల తరఫున, స్టాఫ్ తరఫున, మేనేజ్మెంట్ అందరికీ కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. చివరిగా ఒక సెంటెన్స్. నవీన్ సార్, నిషితా డిగ్రీ కాలేజీ 1994లో ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ అయింది. నిషితా కామర్స్ అండ్ సైన్స్ కాలేజీ 2019లో ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ అయింది. 2019 తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ అవుట్ గోయింగ్ బ్యాచ్ వి గివెన్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 100 స్టూడెంట్స్ లో 42 స్టూడెంట్స్కి ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఇచ్చాము సార్. నేను గర్వంగా చెప్తున్నాను, ఒక ఫస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ 48 మందితో బయటకు వెళ్ళామంటే చాలా ప్రౌడ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం. అయితే నిషితా కాలేజీ భూమయ్య సార్ తదనంతరము ఒక ఫార్ములా ఫాలో అయ్యారు, కాలేజ్ టు కార్పొరేట్ అని. అంటే 2008 నుంచి మనం ఎంఎన్సీ కంపెనీస్కి డ్రైవ్ కండక్ట్ చేయడము, ఫస్ట్ డ్రైవ్ కూడా విప్రోతోనే కండక్ట్ చేయడము. అప్పుడు 4 మెంబర్స్తోనే మనం విప్రోలో జాయిన్ అయినాం. 4 మెంబర్స్తో జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఇప్పుడు 100 మంది దాకా కూడా జాయిన్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ మనకు వచ్చింది. అంటే ఆ క్రెడిట్ గోస్ టు మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సార్, నిషితా కామర్స్ అండ్ సైన్స్ కాలేజ్, నౌ వీఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ వన్ ఫార్ములా. దట్ ఫార్ములా ఇస్ 3C. Capital letter C, 3C. This year onward we follow the formula. Connect college to corporate. Connect college to corporate. We are following that formula. So ఈ అకేషన్ జరగడానికి, ఇంత మంచి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇవ్వడానికి మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఎంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తుందో నిజంగా కన్న తల్లిదండ్రులు వాళ్ళ పిల్లల్ని మా కాలేజీ నమ్మి పంపించినందుకు నా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు. తల్లిదండ్రులందరికీ హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు. ఇంకో లాస్ట్ చెప్తున్నాను, నేను ఈరోజు ఈ స్టేజ్లో ఉన్నాను అంటే నేను ఏదో బయట వ్యక్తిని కాదు, నేను కూడా మీలాగానే నిషితా కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ అండ్ నిషితా కాలేజ్ ప్రోడక్టే ఫస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ ఫ్రమ్ నిషితా కాలేజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Dignitaries, I want to mention that even the principal of Nishita Degree College and the vice principal of Nishita Degree College and also the principal of NCS College are the 3 existing students of Nishita itself. I think you better know like how great would be their presence and their interest towards it. We wish that you also get great opportunities. Thank you.
Kartikeya is being provided. Now,
We request Navya and Venkat from MEA first year to please take over the event. This is Kartikeya and Divya signing off. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you Karthik and Divya for handing over this event to us.
A pleasant afternoon to all dignitaries, lecturers and my friends. I am Navya Meriaka, pursuing MBA first year. Theme of this event is 3Cs, College Connects to Companies. And he is my co-host Venkat Verma.
Very pleasant good afternoon to everyone. I am Venkat Verma from MBA first year. And now it's time to announce the names of the students for the most prestigious Bhumi